Hey, Manteca High. It's your boy, Raleigh Recorders, back at it again with another Manteca Minute. It's Wednesday, January 11th of 2023. On this week's episode, we'll be covering class meetings and rallying up all of our Buffalo volleyball players. Are you ready? Let's get into it. The varsity team went 10-0 in the VOL last spring and won a San Joaquin Section Division II playoff game. The Buffaloes returned much of their talent, including Jamestown University beast and ongoing VOL MVP Camden Steckler, the hard-hitting, high-flying man bun in the middle. On Tuesday, students attended their first meetings of the spring. If you missed any of these meetings, don't even worry. There's going to be 4 more dates that you can mark on your calendar. That's February 7th, March 7th, April 4th, and May 2nd. MAP testing resumes on Thursday. And with a word of wisdom on how to shine, here's Vice Principal Neil McDonald.
Morning, Buffaloes. I just wanted to wish everybody the best of luck on our monitoring of academic process, aka MAP testing today. Just a couple tips for you guys to make sure we get our best output from our hard work. Number 1, hopefully you got a good night's rest. Number 2, make sure you get a little something in your system, eat a nice breakfast. Have a peppermint on the way in. That'll just fire up those neurons nicely. While you're taking, a couple little tips. Number 1, probably read the choices before you read the question. A lot of times that helps. Secondly, on the normal multiple selection questions, pick A, B, C, or D. A little statistical advantage you could gain is by making a guess, then trying to eliminate some answers. Hopefully it's not the one you guessed, and then change your answer if you're unsure. Don't have time to explain why that improves your chances for success, but you can trust me as a former math professor here at the University of Manteca. But anyway, hope you have a great day, and let's go get them.
All right. That's all, Buffaloes. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at MHS BuffTV. And while you're at it, follow our Instagram, Manteca High Media _Burns. And that's all for today. From your host with the most, Raleigh Recorders. Roll on, Buffs.